Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to create or how to add a shadow effect on your text in the Canva like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So in this video, I'm just going to show how to create a shadow text effect on your Canva. In previous video, I just shown how to make this. So I'm just going to add a page here, and also I'm just going to just copy this or just going to duplicate this and just link here. So now how to add the shadow effect for this. So you can just do this for, otherwise you can just choose this also. I just going to show the shadow text effect for this both, so you can see how it look like. Okay, so now just click on the text and click on the effect option on the top. Now you will see a lot of effect option here. Just click on the shadow option, which actually brings the shadow effect. The same process here also. So you can see, you can just offset the position and also the direction. You can just move this wherever, and you can also adjust the blurriness so it will look so real. And also the transparency of the text shadow can be adjusted. So just my preference, you just use the blurriness, so this can be look so real. So the same thing, just make him blur and just move it and have a offset and just choose the direction that offset. So now you just can feel how the text look like. I'm just going to delete this and just make this center. So this is how have a real shadow effect on your Canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.